Hello, friends. Welcome to our Learn Science and Chemistry podcast by Chemistry Notes Info. Dear friends, in today's podcast, we are going to discuss about some interesting facts about carbon. As we all know, carbon is very important element in periodic table. Life is possible on this planet Earth due to carbon. Friends, carbon is the foundation of organic chemistry. Carbon is often called the building block of life because it is a fundamental component of organic compounds. Life is possible on this planet Earth due to carbon. All living organisms as well as many non-living substances contain carbon-based compounds. Carbon is known for its ability to form diverse type of bonds. It can form single bond, double bond or triple bond with other carbon atoms or different elements of periodic table. Due to this ability of forming bonds, carbon forms so many types of organic compounds. Carbon exists in various types of allotropic forms including diamond, graphite, graphene and carbon nanotubes. Each allotrope has unique properties such as the hardness of diamond and the conductivity of graphene. Diamond and graphite. Diamond and graphites are two of the most well-known allotropes of carbon and have versatile different structures. Diamond has a 3D crystal lattice structure and making it transparent and hard, while graphite has a layer structure making it a good conductor of electricity. Diamond is generally used in jewelry, cutting and polishing tools, industrial cutting, heat dissipation in electronics, precision optics, medical tools, while graphite is used in pencils, lubricants, refractories, batteries, nuclear reactors, electrodes and thermal insulators. Carbon plays a crucial role in Earth's carbon cycle, moving through the atmosphere, oceans, rivers, soils and living organisms. Photosynthesis by plants absorb carbon dioxide and respiration by living organisms release carbon dioxide, maintaining a balance of carbon in the ecosystem. The isotope of carbon-14 is used in carbon dating to estimate the age of organic materials. This technique is widely used in archaeology and paleontology to estimate the age. The term carbon footprint refers to the amount of carbon dioxide emission for which an individual, organization or an activity is responsible. It is a measure of the impact on climate change due to release of carbon dioxide in the environment. Life on this planet Earth is carbon-based. The unique properties of carbon, such as its ability to form stable long-chain molecules, contribute to the complexity and diversity of living organisms we see today around the world. Carbon is extensively used in technology, from carbon fibers in aerospace applications to carbon composites in sports equipments. Carbon-based materials are also crucial in the development of new technologies like batteries and supercapacitors. Carbon plays a significant role in stellar nucleosynthesis. It is formed in the course of stars through fusion reactions, and carbon nuclei are ejected into space through processes like stellar winds and supernova, contributing to the formation of new celestial bodies. Dear friends, you can also visit our website www.chemistrynotesinfo.com to download interesting facts about carbon infographics. This infographics make your day. Dear friends, you can also visit our website to know about physical and chemical properties of carbon. The link of the website is given in the description of this podcast. Thank you to listening this podcast. This podcast is brought to you by www.chemistrynotesinfo.com. I am your host Jitendra Singh Sandhu.